So now live banao. Welcome to PHP starters, and today our topic is typecasting in PHP. So what do you mean by typecasting? Typecasting is nothing but changing one data type to another. It is normal based on requirement. So here it is already there. Typecasting means nothing but changing. It changes one data type variable to other data type. For suppose you can change from int to float to int, into string to int, into double like that, whatever it may be, we can change the data type. So here the oral example is there. This is float number, so we are changing float number into int. Now we can see the real time example how it will execute. So I am taking php open tag close tag. Float value is 8.91. I am converting it to int dollar float. Okay, so I am saving typecasting dot php. So if the color is changed, then automatically it will be ready to execute. Type underscore casting. So 8. So I will explain now why is the 8. So 8.91 is the float value. So if we convert the float value into integer, then it will convert into int. Int means 8. It will remove the precision value and it will take only mantissa. Precision means point right side, mantissa means point left side. This is about type conversion. So it is converted into int value 8. So thanks friends, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, comment it, share bell as you like.